Hello students, let us learn today divide. So in the divide we have to remember some names of the numbers. You see 29, which is inside the bracket, is known as dividend. Okay, the name for it is dividend, and the answer is known as quotient. Then the leftover is known as remainder, and this part is known as divisor. Suppose you have divided two numbers and you want to check whether your answer is correct or not. So this formula you have to apply to check your answer. So if you will multiply divisor with quotient and then you will add their product to the remainder, and if it results to dividend, that means if it gives you answer equal to dividend, definitely your answer is correct. Okay, so let us try to do one question from exercise 4. So we have question exercise 4, divide 1a. So we have to divide actually 3,60,973 by 42. Okay, so let us see this, and I have already written for you. So what we will do, we will if you remember divide, actually in the divide what we do, we always try to find a number either equal to the given number, otherwise a number is smaller than the given number. It's not it. So in the table of 42, what you will do, you will try to find a number which is either equal to 360 or is smaller than 360. Now why I have taken 360 directly, that question must be rising in your brain. The reason is that because if I take 3, it is very smaller than 42, and in the table of 42 you will never get 3. Okay, again if I take 36, again it is smaller than 42. Therefore I have taken 360, which is bigger than 42, and I will try to find out 360 in the table of 42. See, if I multiply 42 by 7, so what I'll get, 7 2s are 14, carry 1, 7 4 are 28, 28 plus 1 is 294. So 294 is smaller, still smaller than 360. Okay, so now I will try to find out 42 into 8 za, is not it. So in place of multiplying, I can do directly add. I can add 42 to the given answer. It will give me 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1 is okay. So this is actually for 8. Now if I want to take out for 9, same thing I will do. I will add 42 again. So 6 plus 2 will give me 8, 3 plus 4 will give me 7, and 3 will come down, 378. So this is for 9. Okay, that means 42 9 ja this much, and 42 8 ja this much. So out of this 2, or out of this total 3, which one will be perfect? If you see, 378 we cannot take because it is bigger than 360, and 294 we cannot take because it is very smaller than 360. We are going to take a number very closer to 360, and this is 336. Therefore I have taken it. Okay, so you have to remember how much, 7 ja 42 7 ja, how much you have to remember, and 42 7 ja is how much you have to remember, then 42 8 ja is how much you have to remember, it is 336, and then 42 9 ja is 378, to remember like this. So let us see what we have done. We have taken 336 here. Now we'll subtract 10 minus 6, because we'll carry 1 from here, so it will come 10. 10 minus 6 will give you 4, and this will become 5. So 5 minus 3 will give you 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Will not write 0 here, will not write here 0. And now what we will do, we'll carry 9 down. We'll carry 9 down, it will become 249. Is not it? Now same system we will apply. We'll try to find out the number in the table of 42 which will be either equal to 249 or will be closer to 249. So you already know 7, 8 and 9. So we cannot try with 7, 8, 9 because it will give a higher number. So we'll try with you can try with a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll start with 6. Okay, I will start with 6. So 42 into 6, 6 to the 12, carry 1, 6 to the 24, 24 plus 1, 252. Do you think this number is right? 252 is not okay. Why it is not okay? Because we need 249 and 252 is greater. Therefore what we will do, we'll try to multiply 42 with 5 to get a smaller number. Okay, so 5 to the 10, carry 1, 5 4 the 20, 20 plus 1, 210. Okay, so you have got 210. Now if you multiply 42 with 4, you will get a smaller number than 210, which we don't need, so we'll write 210 here. Okay, now if you subtract 0 out of 9, you will get 9. If you subtract 1 out of 4, you will get 3, and 2 minus 2 will give you 0, which we will not write. So 39 is here. So let us see another step how to do it. 210. So the another step is, we'll bring 7 down, then 397 we have got. Now think which till now 42 how much will give you 397. You see, if you remember, 42 if you multiplied with 9 to the 18, carry 1, and 9 4 ja 36 plus 1, 378. It's not it. 378 is very closer to the 397, because if you multiply 42 with 10, it will give you 420, which is higher. We cannot take this one, so we'll take this one, 378. Now you subtract 8 out of 17, you will get 9. If you subtract 7 out of 7 out of 8, you will get 1, and then you bring 3 down, it will be 193. So now we'll try to find a number which is either equal to 193 or little smaller than or closer to 193. Same way we'll multiply. We already know what we have to do. See, we know if you will multiply with a 5, if you multiply 42 with a 5, your answer is 210. We already know this one. So we have to definitely multiply 42 with a smaller number, and that is 4 2 is 8 and 4 4 is 16. 168 is a great number. That means it's okay. We can take it. We cannot go more below than this. If we'll go more below, then we'll get a smaller number. So we'll take 168. So 42 4 ja 168. Now subtract 13 minus 8 will give you 5. 8 minus 6 will give you 2. 1 minus 1 0. Now further we cannot divide. Why we cannot divide further? You see, our last number is smaller than the divisor, so we cannot continue dividing. We have to stop here, and no number is left here, so we have to stop. So after doing this division, we have got quotient is 8594 and remainder is 25. Okay, so in this manner we will do the first question, and for the question number 2 I will make another video.